ZEISS has been building optics for over 150 years, and for a company to be around this long, they have to build quality products as well as meet the demands of their customer base. The newly enhanced ZEISS Conquest V4 rifle scope is another example of a high-quality product where ZEISS has taken the needs of the consumer and developed a high-end product at an affordable price, and we here at Sportsman's News have put it to the test. We mounted the 6-24x50 model on this Browning X-Bolt, utilizing the new ZEISS ultralight precision rings. We sighted it in and spent numerous range days giving this scope a thorough workout, and it didn't disappoint. My test model has the ZMOAI T20 reticle, which I love for the superfine crosshairs at 24 power, as well as the MOA hash marks for the on-the-fly adjustments. To hit a target, you need to be able to see it. That's not a problem with this scope. The ZEISS scope is extremely clear and delivers 90% light transmission, which means at low light and well beyond legal shooting light, you'll be able to see your target. To meet the needs of the vast number of hunters and shooters, you've got to have a lot of different magnification options as well as reticle choices, and ZEISS definitely has you covered in that department. It's available in 3-12, 4-16, and 6-24. They're all built on a 30mm tube and a second focal plane, and there's a plethora of duplex and minute of angle reticle options to choose from, as well as illuminated and non-illuminated. ZEISS has truly built a model for everyone. Functionality of a scope is another extremely important thing, especially if you're doing long-range shooting and frequently adjusting your turrets. Our test model, as well as the 4-16 versions, have 80 minutes elevation adjustment. The 3-12 has 70 minutes of elevation adjustment and 70 minutes of windage. Windage on the other two are 60 MOA each. The ballistic stop on the elevation turret is easily adjusted and is a true solid stop, using all mechanical construction and non-plastic parts. The large numbers on the elevation turret is very easy to see, and the quarter MOA clicks are very pronounced when making adjustments. The windage adjustments is very visible while looking over the scope and while in the shooting position. It is a locking style turret, which means it must be pulled out to engage adjustments, which means it's not going to accidentally get moved. This is a first in its class. To test the tracking and repeatability of these turrets, we performed a tall target test. We do this by drawing a reverse cross on a target and then leveling it on our downrange board. We measure a precise 100 yards and then shoot a 3-shot group at the main cross, which represents our 0. Then we adjust up 20 MOA and shoot at that original point of aim on the target. It should move the center of our group up 20.94 inches, as minute is actually 1.047 inches. Our group is right at the mark, and then we adjust the turret back to our original 0. Our groups come right back to that same 0, and this was repeated numerous times. The adjustments are highly repeatable. That's what I'd call a pretty solid performance right there. Another thing I love about this scope is it's extremely lightweight. It's the lightest in its class. This scope right here, test model, is 24 ounces, making it a great addition for a lightweight mountain rifle. Durable, lightweight, high quality glass, and repeatable performance makes this a great rifle scope. It has all the options you could ask for regardless of your application. It has a limited lifetime transferable warranty and a 5-year no-fault policy, which provides you a good peace of mind. However, when you're hundreds of miles from civilization and about to fulfill your lifelong dream, you aren't thinking about a warranty. You just want your rifle scope to work and perform as expected.